Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a YouTube short on CapCut PC. I show you guys how to do it. Just need to open up CapCut and just need to import the video that you want to make YouTube short. After importing it, you just need to just edit the video. Make sure the video is under 1 minute. After that, after making sure the video is under 1 minute, we just need to select this ratio option over here and select 9 is to 16, and this will open up a shorts video resolution. Just drag this line to full screen like this and make sure it is centered. And now the video is ready guys. As you can see, you can add text if you want. Select the text option on the top and select default, drag default text over here, and you can add this text whatever you want. I'm gonna add it, for example, like and subscribe. After adding it, now the video is ready guys. As you can see, after the video editing is complete, we just need to select the export option and in frame rate set this frame rate to 60 Hz and up this resolution settings. You just need to change it by your preferences. After that, the export to, here is the save location. You just need to change it if you want. After that, name the short video. I'm going to name it as 1 and select the export option, and it will be saved in that location guys. And now the video is ready guys. You just need to select the open folder option, and here it saved. As you can see, now you just need to go to YouTube and select the shorts and select the create option and select upload videos, and you just need to navigate to the location. After selecting it, select open, and you can upload the short video directly to your YouTube channel. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.